Tired of spending a fortune on car repairs? These 17 secrets will save you $3,000 a year, and your mechanic definitely won't tell you about them. From a $20 fix that protects your engine to a simple habit that prevents a $5,000 breakdown. These tips are easy, quick, and will keep your car running like new. And whatever you do, don't skip number 7. Let's get started. Hey everyone! Today we're cracking open the vault of car repair secrets that'll save you thousands. No fluff, just straight up expert advice. Let's get your wallet thicker and your mechanic sweating. 1. Air filter swap. This dirty filter chokes your engine's airflow, messing up the air-fuel mix. Result: 10% worse gas mileage. Swap it yourself, pop the hood, unclip the old one, slap in the new. No tools, $30, 60 seconds. Boom! Check it every 12,000 miles if you're stuck in traffic daily. Clean air equals happy engine. 2. Short trips. Engine killer. Quick grocery runs? Your engine never warms up. Oil stays sludge-like, and the battery never fully charges. Do this daily and you'll drop $400 on a new battery fast. Combine trips or walk, your engine will thank you. Think of it like doing a 1-minute workout. Useless, right? 3. Fuel additives? Scam. Unless your car's older than dial-up internet, skip these. Modern gas has built-in detergents. Pouring this $20 gunk in? Flushing cash? Pro move. Use top-tier gas, better cleaners, better mileage. Factoid. Chevron, Shell, Costco, all top tier. Your injectors stay spotless. 4. Wheel alignment equals tire savior. Misalignment shreds tires sideways. See this bald edge? A $100 alignment every 30,000 miles saves you $600 on tires. Plus, no death grip steering on highways. Demo. Test alignment. Drive hands-free on a straight road. If it pulls left-right, get it checked. 5. Battery terminal hack. Corrosion kills connections. Mix baking soda plus water, scrub with a toothbrush, rinse, 5 minutes, 0 electrical gremlins. Easy. Safety tip. Disconnect the negative terminal first. No sparks, no surprises. 6. Keep your tank 1/4 full. Low fuel, the pump sucks air, overheats, and dies. Replacement, $1,000. Keep it above 1/4 tank. Your pump stays cool, your wallet stays full. It's like running a marathon without water. Don't do it. 7. Coolant check equals engine lifesaver. Low coolant equals overheating equals blown head gasket, $3,000 repair. Check the reservoir monthly. If it's below min, top it off with the right type. Mixing colors can turn it into jello. Warning: never open the radiator cap hot. Scalding steam is no joke. 8. Rotate tires. Save drivetrain. Front tires wear faster. Rotate them every 5,000 miles for even aging. Skip it and your drivetrain works overtime. $5,000 repair versus $50 rotation. Easy math. Mark tires with chalk. FR, RL, no mix-ups. 9. Park in the shade. UV rays crack dashboards and fade paint. A $20 sunshield saves you $2,000 on interior repairs. Bonus, tinted windows keep the cabin cool and ease the AC's workload. Side by side, a sun-baked dashboard versus one with a shield. Night and day. 10. Oil changes. Non-negotiable. Old oil turns to sludge. Engine seizes. $4,000 later, you're crying. Change it every 5,000 miles. Synthetic lasts longer, but don't push it. Check the dipstick. If it's black and gritty, change it now. 11th. Spark plugs. Cheap fix. Big savings. Rough idle. Likely bad spark plugs. $150 now or $4,000 for a new engine later. Your choice. Replace every 60,000 miles. Pro tip: gap them correctly. Check your manual. Warning: don't over-tighten. Snug, not Hulk smash. 12th. Check engine light decoded. That light? Your car's cry for help. A $40 scanner reads the codes. P0420, probably a $50 oxygen sensor. Ignore it, and you're looking at a $2,000 catalytic converter. Be proactive. Demo. Code P0171, clean your MAF sensor. Easy fix. 13. Transmission fluid, silent killer, brown burnt-smelling fluid? Change it. Neglect this, and your transmission grenades, $5,000 minimum. Most cars need it every 60,000 miles. Check your manual. Use a funnel with a long tube, no spills. 14. Brake pads. Don't wait for squeals. Brake pads have a wear indicator. Hear grinding? It's too late. Your rotors are toast. Inspect them every 20,000 miles. $150 per axle now or $600 later. Your call. Safety. Brakes are your life. Don't cheap out. 15th suspension check. Smooth ride. Bounce test. Push down on a corner. If it bounces greater than 2 times, shocks are dead. Bad suspension wears tires. Strains steering. Fix it before it's a $2,000 bill. Potholes are suspension killers. Slow down. 16. Belts and hoses. Invisible time bombs. See these cracks. If that belt snaps, say goodbye to your alternator, AC, and power steering. Replace belts and hoses every 60,000 miles. $200 now or $1,000 for a tow and repair later. Warning: timing belts are critical. Break one, and your engine eats itself. 17. Tire pressure. Silent money drain. Underinflated tires waste gas and risk blowouts. Check monthly. Proper PSI on the door jamb? Pro move. Keep a $20 portable inflator in your trunk. Cold mornings drop. PSI? Check when tires are cold. Bonus. Wash and wax. Free money. A clean car sells for 20% more. Hand wash, microfiber towels, quality wax. Avoid swirl marks. $50 in supplies equals thousands at resale. Clay bar twice a year. Feels like glass. There you go. 17 secrets to keep your ride smooth and your bank account happier. Drop a comment. Which tip are you trying first? Smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, stay savvy, stay safe.